Kabira Moses. I come from Uganda. I'm learning filmmaking and TV production at KFTV. Filming, it's a center where you get new ideas. It's like, I don't know, it's a circle full of many things. So call a video, but the video represents something else. It can inspire people, something that can really ukuza amount of mind by the way in a video. Yeah, so gamba like the abaganda abaliyo, no, the small, the abavuka abaliyo who are jobless. Like I'll try to maybe advising them to maybe if they don't have jobs, then they should spend most of their time learning, because learning doesn't end. And whenever you learn, you get new ideas. So funa amagezi amapya, amagezi ga kuyamba okola business, amagezi ga kuyamba okwebezawo mbulamu thing.